Is the Florida condo market crashing? You might actually be surprised. We're going to talk about what's actually going on and what's being said in the news, and I'm going to tell you how you might be able to take advantage today. Welcome to this Thanksgiving edition of Midweek Market Update for the Tampa Bay and Sarasota areas. And in this episode, I want to address what's actually going on with the condo market here in Florida, because there's a lot of headlines out there that might be giving you some accurate information, but also some skewed information. So if you've been watching the news lately or reading the headlines, you've probably noticed that the condo market here in Florida is absolutely getting crushed. But that's only half the story. See, while the older buildings here in Florida, which are scattered all over the state, especially on the coastlines, are known to be crashing and losing value rapidly, there's a completely different market that's quietly breaking records, and that's the ultra luxury condo projects that are happening right here in the Sarasota and Tampa Bay areas, and of course down south in Miami. This is where the ultra rich are parking their cash at places like the Waldorf Astoria, the Ritz Carlton Residences, the condo complexes down in Miami by brands like Porsche, Bugatti, and other major car manufacturer names, and even a brand new complex that hasn't even broken ground yet in Tampa called Hotel Ora and Private Residences. These are investment opportunities that you just can't find currently in the resale market. So let's address the elephant in the room first. This is what we're calling the Surfside effect. It is causing buildings that are 30 years or older to pile up in inventory, get reduced values very quickly, increased assessments and HOA fees, and making them almost impossible to sell. This is most likely what you're seeing in the news and in different headlines, claiming that the condo market here in Florida is absolutely abysmal. And that's 100% true. However, the boom is with new construction complexes. These newer construction condo complexes not only are built to today's standards, but above and beyond these standards that make them essentially bunkers to live in. And without saying hurricane proof, they're pretty close to being exactly that. But these are considered 5-star style living with amenities that just can't be beat, unlike these older buildings that have a card room and a pool. But what many don't see and consider is that while these older condos are taking anywhere from 9 to 13 months or more to sell, these are condos that are actively listed on the MLS and on the market for everyone to see. Whereas new construction buildings and these condo complexes that are going up, in many cases, not only are they not listed in MLS, but a lot of them are selling a good portion, if not selling out, before they even break ground. This tends to skew the reporting that comes out for condo complexes, because while you have older complexes and buildings and units that are staying on the market, and you have brand new condo complexes that aren't even hitting the market and selling immediately, you can see where the discrepancy in the averages might be skewed a little bit. And in turn, we're seeing a market that appears to be not doing very well. Now let's put a spotlight on these ultra luxury condo projects that are happening right here in the Sarasota, along the beaches, and in Tampa Bay. Currently in the area, we actually have 2 projects by the same developer with the same brand name, Waldorf Astoria. This name alone offers a legacy asset, and the brand name protects the resale value years into the future. The Ritz Carlton also has projects here in Sarasota and Tampa Bay, with plans to possibly build more, and the Tampa residents actually set the record for the highest sale of $11.6 million for their penthouse. This is just a proof of concept that the Miami and New York City buyers are coming to the Tampa area. Now, in some areas, these ultra luxury condos are taking a hit. For example, CNBC posted a video just this morning talking about the condo market in New York City and how they are struggling with losing values. With the new mayor in town, things are changing, and these high value owners there are now looking to possibly get out of the city. The Tampa and Sarasota areas are putting together a pretty good package to invite people from all over the world, with no state income tax and the possibility of eliminating property tax for homesteaded properties. Tampa, Sarasota, and St. Pete are looking very attractive for homeowners and condo owners. Now, not only homeowners are looking to move into the area, investors are as well. With these big brands building condo complexes and projects that are investment magnets, there's one brand new, very unique opportunity coming up right here in the Tampa Bay area. Downtown Tampa will soon be home to Hotel Ora and Private Residences. In a recently posted video, Jay Roberts, who is helping the project get off the ground, quoted, "Most condos restrict your ability to rent. But when you look at Hotel Ora, this is a true condo hotel. You don't have the typical 6-month minimum rental restrictions, and you can rent at the nightly hotel rates." Jay mentioned in the video that Hotel Ora actually discounted their fees compared to other types of management programs to only 15%. That leaves 85% of the nightly rented income to go directly into the owner's pocket. And with the Tampa Bay area needing more than 200,000 more hotel rooms to supply the demand of what's going on here, Hotel Ora and Private Residences is a fantastic idea and a very unique investment opportunity. Right now, like Hotel Ora and other branded condo projects here locally, these buildings are selling out or a majority of their units before they even break ground. Hotel Ora has actually sold over 30% of their units, and not only have they not broken ground yet, they haven't even cleared the buildings that are currently on the property to even break ground and get started. And I believe by March of 2026 is when they actually intend to start building, with an expected completion date in 2029. With all of these buildings, as condos continue to sell, they also continue to raise prices, which historically means the sooner you can get in, the more equity you can make. I recently toured the showroom for Hotel Ora and was blown away at the presentation that they had. One of the sales ladies actually said that they have one of the homeowners in there that recently bought has already made $200,000 in equity, and the building hasn't even started construction yet. And so while the headlines and news might give you the impression that the condo market is struggling here in Florida, it's not the full story. And if you'd like to consider getting in early with pre-construction pricing, incentives, and discounts, reach out to me and I'll be happy to get you all the information that you need to help you get into your next home to live in, vacation in, or invest in. Happy Thanksgiving.